everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you're gonna learn the classic smoky makeup look. Before applying any makeup, we are going to prep our skin using toner and then hydrate it with the help of Sugar's Aquaholic Hydrating Stick. And then for moisturizing it, we are using Pond's Lightweight Moisturizer. Now, as we are doing smoky eye look, it's better to start with the eyes so that we can easily remove the fallouts and all later on. So, beginning with the eyes, firstly, we have to conceal them properly. So, here I am using LA Girl Pro HD Concealer for concealing my eyes and blending it very well into my skin. And now, for setting the concealer, here I am using the Sugar Translucent Powder, which will help in keeping the concealer set for the whole day long. Now moving towards eye makeup, firstly I am using this light brown shade and will apply it above my crease with a very light hand and blend it inwards. And now we'll do the same on the other eye too. Now I am taking this darker brown shade and will apply it on the crease for giving the eyes more deeper effect. Make sure you blend this properly with the previous shade and there must be no visible harsh line. Now I am using this in color gel eyeliner and will apply it on the eyelid using a flat brush. And then with the help of a blending brush, I am going to blend the gel eyeliner by taking some black eye shade on the brush. Make sure you move your brush inwards only and by taking small steps. Don't rush, take your time to blend this black color properly and neatly. Keep the black color as low as possible. Don't take it above the eyelid. Now, taking this light brown shade again and blending it with the black shade to remove any harsh lines and to make a smooth transition. For making the eyes little glittery, I am using this glitter black eye shade and apply it above the black gel eyeliner. Now, I am using this angular brush for defining my brows. I wanted to make them look little broad and long with this eye look. Now, as we are moving on to the face, firstly we will prepare a smooth base before applying any foundation, for which I am using this L'Oreal Base Magic Primer. For foundation, I am using this Forever 52 Ultra Definition Foundation in the shade FLF 014. This foundation is superb and favorite one too. It gives a nice coverage with a dewy finish which I personally like a lot. Also, it stays on your face for a decent time and it is super easy to blend this foundation because of its very nice consistency. And you can clearly see how much difference it makes and make your skin look really glowy and healthy. Just make sure you blend it properly with a damp sponge. And now I'm using this L'Oreal True Match Concealer which is one shade lighter than my skin tone to highlight my under eyes and other higher points of my face. This step is really important if you are doing any bold makeup on eyes, and skipping this step would make your eyes look dull and closed. This step would instantly brighten up your face and eyes as you can see the difference. And now for setting up this and to keep the things placed for all day long, I'm baking my face using this Makeup Revolution banana powder. Now I'm using this bronzer from the You Can Be's Pretty All Set kit for adding some warmth to my face. By this step you can add definitions to your face and it will just make your face look more defined. Now I am just brushing off the excess powder using a big fluffy brush and after it will apply a light peachy shade on my cheeks as a blush. And now moving on to lower lash line, firstly I am using the brown shade and applying it on my whole lower lash line. And then taking some black shade on the brush and blending it with the brown shade. Now I am using this creamy silver shade from the Swiss Beauty palette, using it as a highlighter and apply it on my higher points of my face like eye bones, cheeks, nose bridge and also in the inner corner of my eyes to pop them a little. Now just fixing it all using Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. And after it, we'll apply these false lashes from PAC. And now I will just apply mascara from Faces on the lower lashes. After this, I am just lining my lips using any red color lip pencil and filling the lips using the same pencil. Now I am just applying this Forever 52 liquid lipstick in the shade Torture. This is a beautiful shade. And with this, we are done creating this look, and here is the final look. Hope you will like this video and learn something from it. For more such videos, do like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. Thank you. Bye bye.